Hi, good evening. Well, through this video, I want to talk about how AI has helped me in my personal life to create some materials when teaching, and as well how AI helped me when working with my classmates in the lesson plan, right? To start with, I want to say that before taking this course, I didn't know a lot about AI. I knew some platforms such as ChatGPT and Grammarly, but I didn't know how to use them, how to prompt, right? So when taking this course, I learned how to prompt, right? On the other hand, talking about the lesson plan, let's say, my classmates and I worked by using ChatGPT and some other platforms such as Magic School. So to create, let's say, the lesson plan, we used ChatGPT. It was interesting to be prompting because we asked for something and we got a result. Then we had to modify some words or commands, let's say, and we got some other results. So at the end of getting the final result, we used a Magic School to create a material for the activities. So it is super interesting to see, to notice how AI can make a human works in some seconds or minutes, right? Because it is well known that creating material is something difficult that takes lots of time because we need to be thinking. We need to have, let's say, probably brainstorming, right? How to create a presentation. So Magic School can do it from scratch in some minutes, right? So I was astonished how Magic School can help us a lot because first it can create material faster. It is more creative than us sometimes, to be honest, right? So that is talking about, let's say, the lesson plan in my personal life. It had, well, I'm working, but I am given the material, right? So I don't create a lot of material, but I've tried Clukit, and it's interesting how we can, let's say, create some questions, a quiz in a platform, and then we can share that file into Clukit and we get the questions and the answers. So my students have loved this kind of activities, right? So then talking about how was the process, usually when we don't know how to use a platform, we say that it's difficult or we are not able to ask or to use a certain AI platform, right? So the process of learning how to use different platforms has been interesting. I like, I think the name is Braid. I'm not pretty sure. The platform that helps us to check homework assignments. So it can make us save a lot of time. So it's been interesting, and let's say in a nutshell, as a reflection, I consider that AI can be meaningful and as well useful because it can help us to create material. It can give us like brainstorming how to develop certain activities, right? Because sometimes we have like some kind of students, right? Usually we don't include all of them, but when using AI, we can ask for different, let's say, options in order to include all the students in our activities, right? So I consider AI in this case, yeah, AI will be meaningful for my life. I'm trying to include some activities as well. I try to check to yeah, I try to check the platform that we are learning. It was super cool to see how we created a lesson plan in some days because I consider that if we have made that lesson plan by thinking, using our skills, it would have taken some more days, right? So that's my point of view about how I used AI when working with my classmates and as well how AI is helping me in my personal life. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time.